Today we're going to break down how Roger Sanchez opens his set in Beats for Love. So we're first going to break down how he does it with his expensive DJ equipment, then I'm going to teach you a simpler version of his routine that you can do with any DJ controller.
Prepare to immerse yourself in beats, rhythm, and house music. Welcome to the stage, the S-Man, Roger Sanchez.
Now, not all of us have access to expensive DJ equipment, so I've gotten the main points of this routine, like the looping of a vocal intro and the perfect timing of playing a snare roll with it, and recreated a simpler version of it that any DJ with any DJ controller can do. But before I show and explain it to you, let me just say that if you want to follow along with this tutorial, all the songs used in this video are all available for download down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. Also, if you have any other DJ routines you want me to break down, please do comment and link them down below, and also include the timestamp of their trick. Anyway, with that said, let's begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
So for this routine, we only have two tracks that basically accomplish the same result. The first is a vocal intro, and the second is an edited snare build-up intro that contains 48 beats of snares that lead to a breakdown. So before we start mixing, we have to first set the BPM of the vocal intro to 125 because that is the BPM of the song we're going to mix this intro with. And we do this so that when we make a loop, it'll be in the proper loop length for that BPM. Now this step isn't really required, but will definitely help when doing this routine. So here's how you can do this on Rekordbox DJ. Load the song, click this icon here, then click this, then input the BPM and press enter. Now your vocal intro is set to 125. Next thing to do now is to set your effects settings. So select echo, and set the beat length to 1/4. So with that out of the way, let's start mixing. So the first thing you want to do is play your snare build-up intro with the volume fader a little down. Then play your vocal intro with the volume fader all the way up. Now once your vocal intro reaches its end, simply make a 1/4 loop on it and try to make this loop in time and in sync with the snare build-up intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
The next step now is to create your own build-up. So we're first going to activate our echo effect on both decks. Then we're going to slightly turn the effect knob clockwise so that we can hear that phasing echo effect. Then we're going to bring the volume fader of the snare build-up intro up, and at the same time, turn the filter knob on the vocal intro clockwise, all while also increasing the echo effect on both decks. So this part requires proper mixing and blending. So do things gradually and use your ears to discern how much filter and echo you should put as you increase that volume fader. I myself increased the vocal intro's filter knob to about 4 or 5 o'clock and the echo effect knob to about 10 o'clock. Now once you reach that breakdown, bring the volume fader of the vocal intro all the way down and crank that echo effect counterclockwise to shut it off.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
And that's it. If you guys have any other routines for me to break down and explain, please do comment your suggestions down below, and please do include the link to the video and the timestamp of when the trick will happen. Anyway, with that said, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next one.